Now the best part, astonishing part came up. Press release said you can claim on self-assessment basis in consonance with section 16 of the act. Statement तो बोल दी sir, but section 16 में क्या लिखा है? Only 4 conditions. All those 4 conditions we are already fulfilling. So can we claim on self-assessment basis? New clause introduced in Finance Bill 2021. It says clause 100 of Finance Bill 2021. Has it been notified yet? No, notification has not yet been issued, but still the Finance Bill clause number 100 has been proposed. In section 16 of the CGST Act, in subsection 2, after clause A, 16 subsection 2, law ko padhiye. Please learn how to read the law. Section 16 subsection 2, after clause A, the following clause shall be inserted, namely, the details of the invoice or debit note referred to in clause A, which we read just now, has been furnished by the supplier in the statement of outward supplies. I repeat, has been furnished by the supplier in the statement of outward supplies, and और नहीं है sir, and है law की language, plus such details have been communicated to the recipient of such invoice or debit note. Such details have been communicated to the recipient of such invoice or debit note. क्या कह गए सर? समझ नहीं आया. We are not able to understand. Please make us understand very nicely, along with linkage of all the provisions, right? In the manner specified under section 37. So they are saying if the invoice does not show in GSTR 2A or 2B, whatever statement, you cannot claim ITC. You cannot claim ITC. Section 16 में amendment कर रहे हैं. They are doing amendment in section 16. Rule 36 sub rule 4 का क्या होगा sir? What will happen to rule 36 sub rule 4? Right? There are a lot of questions which are coming up. So finance bill communicated means, Chetan Yadav ji, very nice question sir. I was expecting this question. I told you, right? Whatever you will ask, it will be there in my presentation. Now let's understand. I will make the linkage of law. Please read it very carefully. Section 37, because it says specified under section 37. What does section 37 says? It says every registered person other than an ISD non-resident shall furnish electronically in such form and manner may be prescribed. Section 37 कहता है रिटर्न भरनी है and such details again shall be communicated to the recipient. सर ये communicated क्या हो रहा है? क्या मैं फोन करके बताऊंगा अपने उनको कि भाई मैंने इनवॉइस अपलोड कर दिया है? Will I call my customer or whatever supply that okay, the invoice has been uploaded? What does this communicated word means? Now let's see the rule with this section. Rule 59 has been amended. Notification number 82, 2020. Akash ji is saying communicated means GSTR 2B. ये भी गलत है. 2B नहीं है sir. It's not 2B. Please, very carefully. Rule 59, note down. Rule 59. What does it say? Amendment. Form and manner of furnishing details of output supplies. Every registered person other than the person referred to in section 14 shall furnish such detail in GSTR 1 for the month or the quarter, right? So one thing is sure कि GSTR 1 में invoices has to be uploaded, right? And then it will go to question mark. What will it go to? Communicate. How will it communicate? Rule number 60. Rule number 60. The whole act I have compiled specially for you. The linkage, amazing linkage. So we started from section 16, we came to section 37, we came to rule 59, and now we are on rule 60, right? So this is the linkage. Satyanarayan ji is saying it is retrospective or prospective. Sir, let the notification be issued first. I think that it will be prospective only, sir, not retrospective. Rule 60, form and manner of ascertaining details of inward supplies. What does it say? Rule 60, ascertaining of inward supplies. The details of outward supplies furnished by the supply in form GSTR 1 or using the IFF. Or using the IFF bhi aa gaya, sir, because of QRMP. Now they have included IFF. Shall be made available electronically to the concerned registered person recipients in part A of form GSTR 2A, GSTR 2A, GSTR 2A. I repeat, GSTR 2A. Communicated means GSTR 2A. How it meant? Pura linkage I have already shown you. Rules section 16, section 37, rule 59, rule 60. Sir, अब तो self assessment में claim ही नहीं कर पाएंगे. If this is notified, so will you be able to claim on self-assessment basis? No, unfortunately no, because now they're amending the provisions of the act. In section 16 they are inserting a provision, right? They are saying GSTR 1 में upload नहीं हुआ, GSTR 2 में अगर नहीं 2A में नहीं आया, you cannot claim, right? So make sure once this provision is notified, it would be the reconciliation of ITC will be very important, very important. I hope you all are enjoying the session, you all are able to learn whatever I am trying to understand. 2B भी आ गया sir. Then what is 2B? What is 2B then, right? So already sir, you told us that okay, GSTR 2A. Now what is 2B? So the same rule, rule 60, sub rule 7, 60 sub rule 7, what does it says? An auto drafted statement containing the details of input tax credit shall be made available to the registered person in 2B. Sir, then what should we refer? Should we refer 2A or 2B? For every month electronically through the common portal and shall consist of whatever, right? It will consist of whatever, we have already spoken about that. Should we refer 2A or 2B? Now this is the Balaramji Singh section nahi sir, that is rule. Rule 36 sub rule 4 is irrelevant. Maybe yes, 20%, 10%, 5%, now maybe 0. After this notification, finance bill, once it is notified, maybe rule 36 sub rule 4 will be 0, right? So make sure the reconciliation of ITC is important. So GSTR 2A is a document which you need to refer for claiming ITC. Yes, you can refer GSTR 2B also, because it is just a static statement of the same data which is being showcased in GSTR 2A. So 2A or 2B doesn't matter, but make sure that whatever ITC you claim, the invoice is being shown either in 2A or in 2B. Otherwise, it's very tough to claim now, right? Because otherwise then again notices will flow. Optotex, India's #1 GST platform, all because of your love and support, and it is exclusively free for tax professionals. So please, I would request everybody to use Optotex in their offices to reconcile ITC, to download all the beautiful reports we have, and it is trusted by 50,000 plus tax professionals now, and who are serving their 1 million plus clients, right? So please make sure that all of you use Optotex in your offices. It will help you a lot. And what are the benefits? How does Optotex help tax professional in making GST compliance simple? Sir, automatic reconciliation of ITC, auto fetching of data from 1st July 2017. So if you start using Optotex from today, then also you will be getting the data from 1st July 2017. This is the beauty of Optotex. Third, if you are using any other software, no problem, sir. You can simultaneously also use Optotex. In just 2 minutes, Optotex fetches all data from the government portal. We have got all the due respective approvals from the government, and all the data is fetched in your system for all your clients. You have 500 clients, 200 clients, single dashboard you will be able to see, right? This is the beauty. I think many of my tax professionals, the tax professionals present in the webinar using Optotex, everybody is saying it is very nice. Thank you so much for your love and support, sir. The full facility, opt-in, opt-out facility, IFF, everything is there in Optotex now. What are the differentiators? Live dashboard, multiple users, no installation required, automatic purchase reconciliation with 2A. What's more, you can view cash and credit ledger, download month-wise 2B, GST challan creation, download. Yes, the best part, I'm making an announcement here. We are making the challan payment also automatic now. It will be integrated to your net banking, whatever net banking you are using, and challan payment also you can do now from Optotex. Very soon we are bringing this feature. It took a lot of time for us to take all the approvals from the banks, but yes, we are bringing that features. Just skipping this all the basic slides, because already many people are using, but still if you're not using, please do sign up. And support, we focus a lot on support. This is the phone number. If you want to note down, just call this number and he will guide you how to use Optotex. And sign up you can do yourself, it's just a 1-minute task, but please note down this number. You can call on this number. info@optotex.com is our email ID. YouTube pe we have demo videos, you can see the demo videos, and then you can use Optotex. But I would suggest everybody to please start using Optotex. This is the software link, https://gst.optotex.com. Google Chrome browser, it works in desktop or laptop, right? So amazing facility we have given to you. So even from the technical aspect, we are trying to help you. So please utilize this benefit. Ashish ji, sir, rest all the software companies will run from the market as your Optotex. Ashish ji, our motive is not to make anybody run. Our motive is to serve the tax professional community, to help the tax professional community. make a GST platform, bring all of them together, scratch their brains, learn whatever the provisions are coming up, and work also. Let's make simple.
Subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to never miss important GST updates.